Tayo ay bababa. That's why he put like this because on the other side, on the neighbor area, and then they have some small store in there that you can buy coffee and everything that you needed once that it's raining and it's flooded on the front. And he's getting some sand from here because rainy season is coming.
Sandbag.
That's for making sandbag. Here's my dogs. Here's baby girl. That's our jeep. Aray! At pati din sila. Kumukuha din. Ayan. With their trailer and carabao. And here's the happy dogs. So for today, yung kubo namin na ayusin pa bago umulan ng malakas. Bye-bye!